Hey guys, this is Nickelback Rocks 98 here, and I'm here with this new Big Bang Theory trivia game. So you can tell by the packaging, of course, it has a unique superhero theme to it. So and this is my unboxing of it. We're just gonna look at the packaging here. Cardinal, the company. Oh, this is an interesting. You see, it's fan edition. You see, I don't have my hands on the regular edition. Sorry, everyone. That was someone I had to deal with. So yeah, this is see. What's interesting is that this is fan edition. That there's 400 new trivia questions, and they're all written by fans. And I think that means that the original questions are into, but I don't know yet. But it's an adult game, and there's 2 to 8 players. I think I can work around that. But see, the cute little tagline is, "How much do you know about the guys who know everything?" Because in the show they're known as pretty smart people. So let's look at the sides of the packaging. See, this is a nice little Easter egg, and the word that says is the Big Bang Theory trivia game. And you see, I think that's the title. So and this is a cute fun fact. This is the same thing as the other side. And yep. So yeah, let's look at the behind. So yeah, there's these other characters. There's Howard and Reg and Sheldon. Well, that's Leonard, and that's Penny. That's my favorite. And there's some other characters like Megan and Cat. And let's read the caption here. "Put on your thinking caps and get ready to test your knowledge from the Big Bang Theory. Players answer trivia questions written by fans. Complete in rounds of rock, paper, scissors. Wizard spot." Sorry. And make their way around the new comic-styled board. I see the comic inspiration. Your mission is to collect a complete set of character cards. That has been my mission for a while now. So, as you can see, see the cards here. What's inside? I love to know what's inside. So, fact cards, fiction cards, character cards, game board, 8 plain pieces. What is that? Focus. Focus, camera. Focus. Focus! Who's here? What does that say? Focus, focus. Hold. Steady, 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 steady! Sorry, there's a bug on my knee. Fuck. Shit, there are cars coming. Fuck. I'm sorry, guys. My camera won't focus anymore. I don't know why. Sorry for all the pauses, but so yeah, this is the Big Bang Theory trivia game, and I would open it, but unfortunately, when I was preparing this video, I happened to empty everything that was in my vault into this box, and if you're wondering what I did with what's inside this box, is I put that in the vault. So it's just the old switcheroo. I think they're about as valuable. So yeah, that's the Big Bang Theory trivia game, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my shelf. So yeah, that's the video.